Yeah, so we're doing some neem oil as a pesticide, and we got this bottle from, I think, Lowe's. It's one of the Zep bottles. It's a 32 ounce, and it actually, for use as a pesticide, it calls for 1 ounce per gallon. This is a quart, and so there are 4 quarts in a gallon. So just divide that by 4. So we're going to do 1/4 of an ounce. We looked up how many tablespoons in an ounce, and it was 2 tablespoons in an ounce. So we did half of a tablespoon, which this stuff is kind of gelatinous. So just got a glob probably about that long. You can still see some of the remnants inside the bottle, and then used a little bit of Dawn as a make it kind of soapy, sudsy, so it'll stick. And I tried to use the rainwater that we've been watering the plants with, but we used pretty much all of that yesterday. The rain collection off our roof there. So hopefully it'll rain soon, because I only had about that much that I could go with rainwater. It was just trickling out of there, so I'll fill it the rest of the way up. It says it's got the ounce marking, so I like this one. It says for 32 fluid ounces, fill with water to the lowest ridge, so that would be here. So I probably need to put a little more water in there. And we just labeled it neem oil. And as you can see, the sun's gone down, so we're going to go out there. We're going to spray it around and on the leaves. There's enough time. There's about 2.5 hours until it's completely dark, so enough time for it to dry out some. From what I've read, you want to use all of that. I don't want it sitting, because it kind of loses its effectiveness. And this becomes less gelatinous in the warmer temperature. So keep it 75 degrees or so. Keep it in the house, what we do. 70 to 75 degrees does better.